Sometimes imperfect shapes create the most eye-catching designs. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Select a clean background that complements your product, then open the Elements panel and search for blob shapes. Choose 1 or 2 large blobs to create a soft background behind your product and add a few smaller ones to balance the layout. Resize and rotate the shapes until the composition feels modern and natural. Upload your product image and position it so it overlaps the blob shapes without hiding important details. Add a bold product title, a short description, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean, modern